बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा ऐसे है माई ग्रैंड मदर, दादी या नानी जो भी, उस पर है हमारा ऐसे। ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर यूजुअली द एल्डेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ अ फैमिली हु टेक केयर of the entire family with love and care. It is a blessing of you if you have your grandparents with you. Today I am going to tell you about my grandmother. My grandmother is a remarkable woman and her name is Mrs. XYZ. She was born in a small village. She was married at a young age. She has sacrificed a lot in her life for this family. She is a hardworking woman. When my grandfather was struggling with his business, she helped him a lot. She spent most of her time with us. She is a strong, caring, and respectable woman. On one of the things I admire most about my grandmother is her generosity. She is always willing to help those in need. She is also a religious woman. Most of her time is spent performing namaz and reading Quran. In her leisure time, she sits with us and shares lots of stories. She is a good cook. She can make any dish tasty. My mother and aunts love my grandmother a lot. They respect her and help her with all of her work. We all cousins also love her. She is the most amazing woman in my life. In conclusion, my grandmother is a truly remarkable woman. She faced all the challenges in her life with courage and bravery. Her kindness, generosity, and strength continue to inspire me and everyone around her. I feel incredibly lucky to have her as my grandmother. ये तो हमारा ऐसे। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।